going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be doing an install. Yes, finally. So if you didn't know, I actually talked about it in one of this video. If you go watch this video here, I actually kind of mentioned it at the start, but basically what happened to the car, it lost boost. I say it lost boost, but then it kind of came back. Where I am at the minute with the car, it still has boost. You may be thinking,
oh, it's obviously a vacuum leak, or there's something wrong with the turbo.
No, it's not that. It's actually something to kind of do with the ECU, if that makes sense. There's a part that's electrical that's going wrong. Let me explain some of the symptoms first before we get into fixing it. Now, with the car, it drives absolutely fine when it's got boost. So if you boost it really hard, especially in 6th gear, it happened to me. If you stay in 6th gear, boost it really hard, all of a sudden, boom, like that, you've just lost boost. After about 3,000 RPM, there is no more boost. You'll boost up to about 3,000 RPM and then it's just nothing. It's just on kind of actuator pressure from that point. I did a lot of research and it turns out a lot of people do have this issue. So if you are having issues such as this, loss of boost and stuff like that, and then it comes and goes, and at the minute, like I said, it's back, but it can go whenever, nothing really triggers it. If you're having them issues, your boy has got the answer. So today we're going to be replacing something called the N75 valve, which is this, hold on. This little box here, this one just here, this is the box that's gonna save all of our issues. I'm gonna kind of explain where it is on the car so you guys know. If you haven't done this before, you're not the only one. Like I said in my previous videos, I don't really know what I'm doing, but I'm having fun whilst doing it, and that's the point. And you guys want an install video, so this is an install video. Although it's not a mod, it's something that needs to be done because your boy needs his boost. And one trick to Calvin's later, we have some clips. Now, I've got a bit of a variety. I've got a 10 to 13 and a 13 to 16 because I don't really know which is going to fit. So like I said, I think the first thing I'm going to be doing is undoing this so we can get the things out of the way. So what I've done so far, this Jubilee clip just here, I literally just loosened it off just so I can turn this out of the way because that was kind of in the way. Obviously I took this pipe off here, again to 17 to 7 mils, and the pipe is literally just down there. You can just see it there. So next I think I'm going to take this off here and actually try and bring the N75 valve up towards me possibly. Now I've literally got this thing off here. As you boys can see, that needs going in the bin. The N75 valve, now I've got a bit more movement in it. I can kind of look around it. I can also try to do this one-handed. I have, guys can see, access to that thing in there, but then I need to also get this off. So let's get that off. So now we are pretty much on the last stage. All I need to do is kind of get this one off here. If you don't know, these are literally like the devil's work. So these like clamps are used by Audi and like Volkswagen and stuff, and they are horrible. But as you can see as well, I cable tied this to the and all this is going to do is just keep it up so it's here, so it's not going to fall down obviously into the engine bay, which we don't want, and I'll probably never be able to find it again. So, ow, that's really hot. But yeah, I'm going to undo this if I can, kind of squeeze it in, and then obviously put the new one in, I'll connect everything back up and I'll use the new boys we got. These. Obviously update everything, there's no point in putting the old crap straight back on. Again, this one here, the one that I showed you that was a little bit difficult to get to, is well and truly gone. Like, you can stay down there with them. I'm going to take that off and then we should be able to replace it with the new one, which is there. Let's carry on. So that's how you do it, boys. Literally, I just grabbed it, pushed it in like that with some long nose pliers, and it came undone. So that wasn't actually that difficult, which is good. So as you can see here, this one here is a brand new one, and this one here, as you can tell, is all gross and disgusting, and that one is the old one. So yeah, I mean it's exactly the same as what that is. So it should just be absolutely fine going there. Obviously, like I said before, disconnect the battery and wait for the ECU to reset, and then we should be Gucci. We should be able to boost forever. So installing this is literally going to be the opposite of what we've just done, apart from putting new hardware on and stuff. So this one here needs to go on top, this one here needs to go on the side, and then the one connecting to the intake pipe, that one is this big long one here, the big shaft. Give you a quick recap. All the hardware as well that we use on this, we put all new hardware into it, but the pipes, obviously the original pipes, because they didn't need looking at. Obviously when you are taking stuff out like boost lines and stuff, just have a good look around, make sure there's no boost leaks or crack lines or anything, which I did. I checked everything, made sure it was all Gucci, which it was. Everything's connected up. Like I said before, don't do these too tight because you'll crush the actual plastic, and obviously it'll snap and go into your intake, which is no bueno. That's not good. So yeah, make sure they're just nice and tight, not where they're going to crush it, just where they're nice and nipped up, which they are, which is perfect. And then I just reran the line or the cable for this, plugged it back into there. If it looks a bit dodgy, don't worry about that, it's just a conduit. But yeah, that's all connected. Now I'm going to go and grab that pipe. You can see just down here, that one there, connect it back up to this by using that, unplug the battery, reset the ECU, and we are done. Oh, look at it. Look at it. All that shiny new hardware in there, boys. We have done it. Literally just had to push it down a little bit, but everything's still fine. Everything still looks good because, you know, your boy fitted it all. Now it's time to finally unhook the battery.
Later.
Time to reconnect the battery. Right, boys, the moment of truth. Here's where we see if it throws up any errors or anything like that. Okay, doors open, I know that. Here we go. Here we go, I'm scared. Oh. Seems to be good. No lights, no anything. I'm gonna kind of let this idle for a while. Obviously, let's go and make sure your boy's connected everything up. No noises. No leaks. I think we need to go and take it on a test drive. I think yeah. Let's do that. Let's do that. Right, boys, 4K pole. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, it feels so much faster. Oh my god. Boys, oh my days. Roundabout. Guys, it feels so much faster than before. Let's get a nice little pull down here as well. Oh shit. Oh my god, this car fucking flies. This car flies now. And there you have it, guys. That is it, completed. The boost is now perfect, absolutely wicked. I can't believe, like, after all this time I was struggling obviously with boost and stuff like that. I spoke about it months and months ago, and now we've finally done the install and we changed this little thing. This is the old one that we took off. This again is the N75 valve. Again, if you guys are interested kind of what happens after the video, or an update I guess you could say, go follow my Twitter. I'll just put it here. I'll just post, like, basically I'll give you guys updates. Yeah, things are looking very good. Car feels so much faster as well. It feels like a different car. I always kind of knew that it was kind of lacking a little bit of power, especially because I had a car with a kind of similar power before and my other car felt faster. Now it's absolutely perfect. Pulls like a train through every single gear, which is good, as you saw from the video. I don't know if it was blurry because I was trying to hold the camera and drive at the same time. Don't do that, kids, it's dangerous. But yeah, super happy with this. Hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys want to see more uploads like this or any installs to come, you know what to do. Make sure you go and click that subscribe button down there. Make sure you press the bell icon. You'll be notified every single time I upload. That is the rules, guys. You know what to do. My name is Josh, and that was my POV.
So you say you wanna get away. We don't need a plane, I could be your escape. Take you to a place where there's no